laki ng budget nilagay natin dyan. The information campaign on the immunization program under the budget item health promotion has an allocation of 292,200,000 for the fiscal year 2019. The amount is quite big, but it seems that I don't know, have you utilized this fund properly? What is the current utilization rate of the health promotion program?
Mr. President, they're still checking on their records, Mr. President. Out of the 148 million allotted for the health promotion and communication service, a total of 38 million is utilized.
Sa GAA, 292 eh.
This is
292, 200,000.
This is for
2019.
MOOE, Mr. President.
No, under health promotion.
Yes,
Budget item nila, health promotion.
yes, Mr. President. Under
292
MO.
million, di ba?
Ito.
Pareho pa tayo na tinitignan.
The total health promotion line item, 292
Yeah.
million,
Yes.
Mr. President, and under the health promotion and communication service, 176,788,000, Mr. President.